NuPCR, a real-time PCR assay by Illumina. This simple, easy-to-run assay begins with a set of 5 single-stranded oligos in your target DNA. 2 of those oligos are PCR amplification primers, 2 which are part-zyme oligos, and 1 universal substrate oligo with a fluorophore and quencher attached. In the first step of the reaction cycle, the reaction mixture is heated to 95 degrees Celsius and the target DNA is denatured. At this temperature, all of the NuPCR oligos remain unbound and linearized. In the next step, the reaction is cooled to 50 degrees Celsius and the 2 part-zyme oligos assemble on their target, forming the NuZyme complex. This NuZyme assembly will only occur if the target DNA is present. At this temperature, the PCR amplification primers also bind the target sequence, flanking the NuZyme complex. Upon formation of the NuZyme complex, the universal substrate oligo binds to the substrate arm of the NuZyme. The inherent catalytic activity of the NuZyme cleaves the substrate oligo, dissociating the fluorophore from its adjacent quencher, thereby creating detectable fluorescence, which is read by a real-time PCR instrument. It is important to note that the NuZyme is a multiple turnover enzyme, cleaving numerous copies of the substrate oligo, which leads to fluorescent signal amplification. The reaction is then heated to 72 degrees Celsius and the NuZyme is displaced, freeing the target DNA for amplification. Polymerase then binds and extends the target sequence from the PCR amplification primers, creating a copy of the target sequence. The reaction is again heated to 95 degrees Celsius, and the process repeats with each PCR cycle. NuPCR, a real-time PCR assay by Illumina.